How to add favorites on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can add favorites on Instagram. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up your Instagram app on your mobile phone or maybe your laptop. So once you open up your Instagram, then you will find this option right here, which is Instagram above on the right side of your screen. You will find this Instagram logo right here, and what you have to do is simply click, and then you will find this drop down menu which says following and favorites. Simply go to favorites. It will open up your favorites accounts that you have already added. To add a new favorites account, simply click on these three lines right here and it will allow you to add new favorites. You can remove a favorite as well, but you can also search for any account you want to. Then you can simply click on add and it's added to your favorites. There you go. This way you can add any account to your favorites, the accounts you're following, and I can add from here as well. You simply click on add and these accounts are added to your favorites and the list is increased, of course. To remove an account, you can click on remove and it will be removed from your favorites. So this is how simply favorites works on Instagram. It's really easy and you can add any accounts into your favorites. You can go back and this is going to be your favorites feed. You will be able to see all of the posts from your favorite accounts right here. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know how to add favorites to your Instagram. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.